Thought I'd do a video of my Tetrapanax papyrifer rex root cuttings. About 2 weeks ago a friend gave me a couple of roots and I cut it up into 2-inch pieces, planted them in some compost and added a layer of grit on top. Kept it moist, not over wet because I didn't want any of the roots to start to rot. And yeah, after 2 weeks you can see there's green growth that's now started to come out of the tops of the roots. So I have a few of these scattered around the pot. A couple of smaller ones there, and then I tried doing a couple in there without grit just to see if there's any difference. And then I've also got one under my grow light here with my succulents, just to see how it does under some light. Again, you can see the green growth there. All of these succulents are started from cut-ins or little pieces that I've taken from various plants. And I've also got some more ones here. Lithops there, and this is actually just a dwarf lupin. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on the root cutting, which hopefully I can plant out in spring.